Hello Shop101 resellers. Wondering how to start your business on Shop101? Let's take a look at the most important step in reselling, how to place an order on the Shop101 app. On the app, select the product that you want to order. Click on the Order Now button and choose the size of your product. In the shopping cart, you can change the quantity of the products, delete products, and even add a coupon code if you have one. You can also choose your preferred payment method from cash on delivery, Paytm, and online payment. Now you've reached the important part, adding margins. Type the final price in the Enter Customer Price box. This includes the cost plus your margin. Enter the customer's name, phone number, and full address with PIN code. Make sure that the address is complete and correct so that we can get your order delivered quickly and without hassle. Now, click on the Place Order button and you're done. Congratulations, you've successfully placed your first order.